Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In this video we will take about a powerful medicine called Decadron Injection. It is widely used by a doctor to reduce inflammation, swelling and allergic reaction. What is Decadron injection? Decadron injection contains dexamethasone, which is a corticosteroid medicine. It helps reduce inflammation, pain, allergic and swelling in the body. It is also used to treat many different diseases like asthma, arthritis and several allergic conditions. Main uses of Decadron injection is swelling, control of several allergic and skin reaction, used in asthma and breathing problems, and its use is helpful in certain to brain swelling condition. Its dose is usually injected by muscles and into veins. Its side effect is increasing the weight gain, mood change, anxiety, weakness, stomach upset. But Decadron injection is a strong and effective medication for inflammation, allergy, and swelling, but it should only be used with the doctor advice. Never self-medicated and use steroid without supervision. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.